Alright guys, this summer has been absolutely insane, and as a lot of you probably know, our videos are currently about 4 months behind real time. So the stuff that you saw of us in Idaho at Silverwood Theme Park, that was at the beginning of summer before 4th of July.
That was June, the end of June.
Yeah, that was a while ago. So we are trying to remedy that because I just hate being that far behind real time because I like that more of instant connection with you guys. So this video that you're about to watch is
Goose and Maverick.
Yeah, they're playing in the room behind you. This video is a huge compilation of a bunch of random stuff that we did over this summer. We still filmed, just not as much as we did when we were traveling, but it does not include any of the things you might have heard us alluding to, such as our RV remodels, our solar upgrades, all the other crazy stuff we did.
We've told them that we've got solar upgrades.
Ooh. So those will be in future independent videos. This is just the random stuff that didn't fit into those videos, but still super fun stuff, such as going to Papa Al's Lake, going to horse shows, riding dirt bikes. What else am I missing?
Reading books, drinking coffee,
all the crazy,
good stuff.
exciting stuff. So that's what this is. Stay tuned till the end. It's probably going to be a long vlog because it's about 4 hours of footage. Hopefully I can get it down to about 15 minutes. Here we go. Hey guys, my name's James.
And I'm Ashley.
We sold our house and we are traveling across the country with our kids.
My name's Goose and this is Maverick. Come join us.
See her, sissy? Do you see her? Put it in the pile. Go put it in your pile. Oh, good job. Good job. High five. Hey Maverick, you got a little bit of candy there.
And this isn't even all of it. I gave some away too.
Really?
Yeah, kids that walk by. I'm like, hi, you want a piece of candy? I feel kind of like a creeper.
Creeper.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Hey! Happy 4th of July!
What was that?
What did we go see just a little bit ago? Hey, what did we watch? Incredibles! Two.
How was it? Good?
I'm gonna give it 2 thumbs up.
Can I get a what?
All right, Maverick.
Pathetic. You don't get.
I know you've had one 4th of July before, but you were kind of a turd for the first one. So you excited for this
one?
one?
She's a turd. You don't even remember her being there.
She's a turd when she's only a few months old.
Oh.
She what?
Whoa!
Okay.
What is that called? Look at the frowny face.
Big fan.
distance.
What is that?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Oh my god. Oh yeah, I saw that. That's why you
Oh, the great Jared.
Okay, light it around the living room now.
Okay.
That's a big line.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! All right,
All right, Ashley's making me do this, so. This is for the chick's life.
Who is that, Mav? Is that your cousin?
Oh, you want to go on the tube?
Say hi, Papa.
You want to go on the tube?
Okay, increase speed. There you go.
Oh, Lord help us. My
Yeah,
toes
okay.
on the back and a child is driving.
90 points to starboard.
One, go!
No, we're good.
I have a right glove, so I might cut him. Not committed, Scott.
What?
Go!
Full throttle!
Thank you, Kara, for filming.
So,
you did awesome.
Go ahead and throw you've done this before, right?
You want to give each other a hug or say what's up? You're going to be all awkward? Give hugs. Say what's up. Now look over your shoulder, pull back to your hips. Go to your second. There you go. Good job. Keep going. Straight ahead. Keep going. Keep kicking. Kick, kick, kick. Harley's like, I'm tired. No. Easy does it. Come look at Auntie. Look at Auntie. You're losing your helmet. Keep coming.
What's happened?
Her helmet's coming off. Now what do you tell her?
What do we got going on, Elle?
This is Ella's Pizza Kitchen. She's super awesome.
Some olives?
Some olives. Here, I can grab one for you.
She loves olives.
A lot.
Does it look pretty good, Goose? Oh, you sneezing?
Well, don't sneeze near the
Achoo! Nicely done.
Then when it's done, you can even put a couple fresh ones.
Are we limited to one pizza, or can we have like 6?
Right now, we're limited to 1,
Okay.
but you can have different kinds later.
Yeah.
Okay, and what? Are you nervous?
For those of you that didn't watch our moving out videos where we sold our house and packed everything up, we actually bought a big cargo trailer instead of renting a storage unit. So we have a whole bunch of furniture and random things in here, as well as clothes that Goose grew out of, but now Maverick is growing into. So we're here to sort through some of the stuff we want and just make sure everything's going okay in the trailer, pumping up the tires and whatnot. And a huge thanks to my aunt. Thank you, Aunt Laurie, for letting me keep the trailer here rent-free. You are amazing. Thank you so much. It's been about 3 months. I've been waiting and basically gave up on this, but so excited because Jessica from Gone with the Snow Dogs, when they went back camping just about, I don't know, a week ago at the Muskellong State Park where we were in the UP of Michigan, they saw our drone 80 feet up there in the tree and somehow using their drone with a hook is... Hey, Maverick, I'm trying to talk here.
She's panting like a dog.
I'm trying to talk. So anyways, using their drone with a hook and then a rope with rocks on it, they got my drone down. It's still turned on. She checked the memory card. Footage is supposedly still on the memory card. I'm so excited to get this on a charger, see if it connects to my remote, and test it out. Because if that's true, if after 3 months out in the rain, cold,
wind,
all wind, like, I would be blown away. So anyways,
take it out to some BLM land and hope for the best.
Oh, she sent us a note.
Oh my goodness, Goose is gonna love it.
Dancer Wolf and...
Oh my goodness.
Blaze Husky.
Oh,
That's
Goose
so
is gonna freak out. She is so in love with those dogs. Yes.
I was like, what is that? Oh, and there it is.
Oh
and
my.
She bubble wrapped the crap out of that. Thank you.
Lanta.
Okay, so there is some little damage. You can see where it, like, I don't know.
Probably
if
where it hit the tree or fell.
Or where well, when it hit the tree, it didn't hit that hard. I'm guessing when it fell to the ground,
yeah.
That's what happened. So I'm going to go ahead and link up their video down below because they have a whole vlog talking about and showing how they got this down from the tree. So if you guys haven't seen that, definitely go check it out. But thank you, Jessica. I'm very excited right now.
She was trying to say boo to you. Hey, little Miss Maverick, you want a little puppy? Oh my goodness, they're gonna freak out about those things. Look at those. They're so cute.
Woof, 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 woof.
I think she should have that one.
Let Goose have the husky.
Yeah.
Alright, moment of truth. It got a new battery in it. Let's see if it turns on. Oh Uh-oh. That doesn't look good. Doesn't sound good either. I'm not really sure what that means. But the remote looks like it's connected to it. And it turns on. It's just... It is freaking out. Check it out, guys. It still flies. Jessica, can you believe it? 3 months up in a tree, and it still works. Except for the gimbal. Yes. So you're flying blind, but it works. Alright guys, thank you for watching all the way to the end. Again, we're trying to get more real time with you guys so we can be more up to date. But stay tuned for our future videos talking about the other stuff we did this summer, like I said, such as the solar upgrades and the RV remodels and all that good stuff.
Until next time, guys, stay positive, get out there, life is an adventure, so make some memories.